Hello, this is your girl Wasna. Today is Christmas, where I'm getting ready to make a nice Christmas dinner for my family. And guess what? It's my sister's birthday. She just turned 18. Meet my sisters, my beautiful sister Flora. Okay guys, so this is everything I'm gonna make today. I'm gonna make some nice seafood roll. That's my seafood, that's my crab legs and my shrimp, and I have my corn. I already chopped my potatoes and square. I have my cayenne pepper. I have my gloves though. I have my paprika, and I have my salt. That's the salt that I usually use in my house, the sea salt. Okay, I have my butter, and I have my black pepper for my seafood. Okay, now guys, I'm about to prepare my seafood. Okay, that's my seafood, so I'm gonna show you my ingredient, what I'm gonna use to make my seafood. Okay, so I'm gonna use a good amount of butter, because you know when you say seafood it's butter. Okay, so I'm gonna use at least 3 wooden spoon butter. Okay, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of paprika. That's my paprika. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper. One teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. And guys, I'm gonna add my Haitian spice. I use at least 2 big spoon of my Haitian spice. And I'm gonna add 1 cube of Maggi. Mix it together. So I'm gonna put it on the stove for the butter to get dissolved, so I can add my crabs, my seafood. Okay, now here's my butter that already melted. So I'm ready to add my seafood, my crab and my shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna add, because I already cleaned them up. Very good. So now I'm gonna add my lemon. I'm gonna use 1 lemon. Okay, to get the lemon juice. Tastes really good. Now I'm ready to put it in the stove. I'm ready to put it in the stove. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of water and let it boil for at least 30 minutes. And later on, I'm gonna add my corn and my potatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna pour, cause I put the corn cob with the potatoes and the seafood water, and I boil it a little bit for 15 minutes. See? Now my seafood is ready. You see the potatoes, the corn, and everything. Now it's ready.